Hey guys, this is the Epic Plush here, and we're gonna do Scholastic reads. Yay! Today we're gonna read Dogman. Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman behind the scenes. One time, George got Helen kindergarten night to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. Their very first comic was an epic novel called The Adventures of Dogman Action Laughs Please by George. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comics. Then one day in 4th grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic, Captain by George. Soon their lives got really complicated. There is danger, horror, zap, and ridiculous convoluted plot lines. And just when it seemed like things could get any worse, things got better. Hey, On the drama had come to an end, but there were still lots of unanswered questions. Where are the doubles? Where's Tony, Randall, and Don? George and Harry searched the treehouse for clues, but soon they got distracted. Hey, look! How cool! What's it? A box full of old Dogman comics. They made me kids. Hey, I forgot about these. They read for hours. Ha 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 ha! I cracked me up. Look how you used to draw in old school, and look how bad you used to spell. Well, what do you do now? Let's make a new comic book about Captain Underpants. Now let's do something different. How about a Dogman comic? Okay, and together the two friends wrote, drew, and laughed all after. George tried to spell better, Harold trying to draw more simpler, and thus Dogman was reborn, a newish classic. Enjoy it. Dogman, Chapter 1, A Hero is Launched, Unleashed by George and Harold. Dog. Beep beep. Oh boy, my new couch is here. She's a real beauty, Chief. I know. We put it in the office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first to sit on it. Calling all cops. Come to my office. You can watch me break in my new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Hey! Officer Knight and Greg the dog! You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere! You're the worst cops ever! Now get out of my sight! The dog right there. Me and Chief is really mad at us again. I wish we can do something heroic to impress him. That cop and that police dog are bad. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? No. Check this out. Officer Knight's a tough cop, but he got no brains, duh. And Greg the dog is smart, but his body is his weakness. P.U. Yeah, but what if they work together? There might be a problem. Fortunately, I got a solution. Help! It's a bomb! Officer Knight and Greg the dog ran to defuse the bomb. Which one should I cut? Red or green? Grrr! Okay, green is. So, snip. Kablooey! Oh, no. I forgot dogs are colorblind. Wee-woo! How do you feel, old friend? Me too. Soon the doctor came in with some super sad news. I'm sorry, Greg, but your body is dying. Your head's going too cold. Rats, I sure hate that head. But just when Honesty lost, hey, Nurse Lady, why don't we steal Greg's dog got to God's body? Good idea, Nurse Lady, you're a genius. Hooray! Soon they had a big operation. The doctor cut off Greg's head and sewed it on into Carl's body. What a lucky day! And soon a brand new crime-fighting sensation was unleashed. Hooray for Dogman! News spread quickly. C News, Dogman is the world's greatest cop. And they created the greatest cop ever. Fortunately, I just know how to stop him the next day. Well. You're the most greatest cop, eh? Well, you better watch your step here, you scrub. I'm gonna keep my eye on you. What do you have to say for yourself? Get out! Up here! Oh, dog. Set that out. Bad. Things we're about to get worse. What's up, right? Today I'm gonna just destroy Dogman once and for all. How? Tell me, what are all dogs afraid of? Firecrackers? Well, yes, I suppose that's true. But dogs are also afraid of vacuum cleaners. I bought this baby last night. Gee, I think firecrackers would have been easy. Who asked you? You did. Slap. This has thousands of dollars of the latest technology. Firecrackers it costs $5. Enough with the firecrackers! This is way cooler. And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman, and it won't stop until he gets sucked the Yee-haw! Zoom. Oh, Dogman. Let's get ready to rumble. Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has a 6,000 HP motor and an endless power supply. And the bag expands so it can suck up almost anything. When Dogman heard the word almost, he got an idea. Oh, dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. Splash. The vacuum followed Dogman into the sea. Hey, let's get out of this water, okay? I can't swim. Besides, this vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair! Dogman dived down, so the vacuum cleaner started sucking up the sea. The big vacuum bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, Dogman was losing the battle. Open the vacuum. Or had he? I gotta get out of here before this bag of seawater bursts. Whoa! Edie grabbed on his claws. Suddenly, vacuum bag began to rip. Rip! Pop! Edie got washed away in the super tidal wave. I looked like this was the end. Hey, you see me. You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got one word to say to you. Click. Rats! Introducing Flip! Oh, Rama! Extra cheese. Lip master. Here's how it works. Don't grip it. Step 1. Press. Place your hand. So, dot, nice. Mark the left hand here. Hold the book. Open flat. Step 2. Grasp the right hand page with that and index finger. Set the dog maps now. Write them here. Now quickly flip the right hand page back and forth until the picture appears to be flexible. Try adding your own sound effects. The title way, you got smaller and smaller until it ended at just the right spot. Hardcore, Dogman captured Petey. This calls for a celebration. He's a jolly good doggy. Oh, dog, let me guess. What's wrong about you? We're here. Look. Hooray for Dogman! Alright guys, that was part 1. I won't be doing that as often as the plushie video, so dislike, comment about it, and yeah.